Everyone, in this video we'll discuss some question on conjunction. These are the difficult question usually asked in competitive examination, and these are the questions where we make mistake. These are the sentences where we make mistakes. So let's start with question number 1. So here the statement is, he was not so well versed in English that we had expected. So first we find what are the conjunction here. So it's a correlative conjunction, so and that. It has added the two phrases, so well versed in English, we had expected. Now if there is conjunction as and so as, we use these to show equality or similarity between two things. When we use so that structure is used to expect the result or consequence. When we say that he was not so well versed in English that we had expected, so we are trying to show the quality or the similarity between two things. We are not talking about the consequence. So here statement will be, he was not so well versed in English as we has expected. Again, you must notice that it was a negative sentence, so we used so as. So as is always used in negative. If it's as, it can be used in negative and assertive sentence both. So here let's see, he is as tall as his brother, which means she and her brother are equally tall. If it's no, then we would have written, she is not so tall as her brother. If you write she is so tall as her brother, sentence will be wrong. So when we use so, we have to use not. Next is so that I already told. So that is used to show the cause and effect relationship. It means, in Hindi, it means itna ki. Itna ki. So that's cause and effect. Like he was so tired, itna tired, that he fell asleep as soon as he got home. So itna dakha hua tha ki so gaya. The same sentence can be used with to. Like he was too tired. This cannot be. So it is so that, cause and effect. Now we come to question number 2. Like many of the founding fathers of our constitution are so revered as Ambedkar, if not more. Here we have used so word, and we have already discussed that so is used with negative sentence. So यहाँ पे instead of so we will use as. Many of the founding father of constitution are as revered as Ambedkar. So what are the conjunction we do have here? Correlative conjunction, so and as. Why would not we use so? So हम क्यों use नहीं करेंगे? क्योंकि ये sentence negative नहीं है. Next is, this is not such a major problem which cannot be solved with a little effort. Now we have correlative conjunction here, such and which. With such we use that. तो इस combination में such के साथ which is not used. So what is wrong here? The use of which is wrong here. The right sentence is, this is not such a major problem that cannot be solved with a little effort. Next, let's come to the use of not only and but also. Not only and but also is used to show two different situations that are put together. So here the sentence is, Mr. Varun not only stopped coming here but also went to any place that was related to her past tragedy. See, the two sentences, first, what is the correlative conjunction? Not only and but also. Here not only and but also has connected two phrases. And what is this phrase? Coming here and going somewhere. going to any place. But also is used before went, but not only is used before stopped. So what is the right sentence? Here, not only must be used before coming. So right sentence is Mr. Varun stopped not only coming here but also, here is wrong, actually it should be going. The question is wrong. Going to any place that was related to her past tragedy. So parallel sentence is coming here or going to any place. तो जब जो पैरेलल फ्रेज होंगे उसके सामने ही आप नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सो यूज करेंगे. यू हैव टू यूज नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सो जस्ट बिफोर द स्टेटमेंट और द वर्ड दैट नॉट ओनली एंड बट ऑल्सो कनेक्ट्स. लाइक नॉट ओनली राम बट ऑल्सो श्याम इज डांसिंग. I have invited not only Ram but also Syam. He is not only good but also intelligent. So good and intelligent has been connected. So when it's a small sentence we don't make mistake. लेकिन जब बड़ा sentence होता है तो हम इसमें mistake करते हैं. Let's see another sentence here. The sentence is, not only has he built a hospital for poor, but he has also built an orphanage for orphanage for orphans. So here what are the two sentence phrases that has been corrected? Hospital, built a hospital, built an orphanage. So but also is used before built an orphanage. लेकिन नॉट ओनली किसके पहले आपने यूज कर दिया है? सबसे पहले यूज कर दिया है, तो नॉट ओनली का यूज कहाँ होगा? यहाँ पे. सो व्हाट इज द राइट सेंटेंस? He has not only built a hospital for the poor but also built an orphanage for the orphan. तो यहाँ पे प्लेस का गड़बड़ है. नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सो कहाँ यूज करेंगे? जस्ट बिफोर द वर्ड और द फ्रेज दैट इट कनेक्ट्स. नेक्स्ट इज, द टीचर सेड टू द स्टूडेंट्स, go through the notes as many times as possible lest you would fail. First we get to know the use of lest. Lest means otherwise. Lest and otherwise both are conjunction, but after lest we always use should. लेस्ट के बाद हम हमेशा शुड यूज करते हैं. अदरवाइज के बाद आप विल का यूज कर सकते हैं. इफ इट रिक्वायर्स माइट का भी यूज कर सकते हैं. तो यहाँ पे सेंटेंस में क्या है? गो थ्रू द नोट्स एज मैनी एज टाइम्स एज पॉसिबल, जितनी बार नोट्स में हो सको जाओ, लेस्ट यू वुड फेल. सो व्हाट वुड बी एट द प्लेस ऑफ वुड? इट वुड बी शुड. Like here in the example, he left early lest he should miss the bus. Study hard otherwise you will fail in the exam, you might fail in the exam. लेकिन अगर यहाँ पे lest होता तो आप क्या यूज करते? should. Next, question number 7. We have these two phrases, two conjunctions, seldom if ever or seldom or never. We don't use seldom if never. Many a time you will get the question, या बहुत बार लोगों को यूज करते हुए गलत देखेंगे, जहाँ पर seldom if never यूज कर देते हैं, seldom or ever यूज कर देते हैं. that's wrong. So what is the right combination? seldom if ever or seldom or never. Compound conjunction is there. It's a compound conjunction. जब दो एक से ज़्यादा conjunction एक साथ आते हैं. If seldom if never की बात है तो it emphasizes something that rarely happens. It implies that occurrence is so infrequent that it might happen. It's extremely rare or unlikely. मतलब जो कभी हुआ ही ना हो. Seldom or never also conveys infrequency, but it suggests that something either happens rarely or does not happen at all. तो इसमें थोड़े बहुत चांसेस है भी होने के, इसमें बिल्कुल भी चांसेस नहीं है. So here it is the sentence, seldom or ever have I tried my best to defend my friends who are after all guilty to some extent. अगर आपके दोस्त गिल्टी हैं किस एक्सटेंट पे, तो क्या आप उसको कभी कभार बचाने की कोशिश करेंगे या कभी बचाने की कोशिश नहीं करेंगे? तो अगर पहला तो ये फ्रेज ही गलत है, सेल्डम और एवर, ये तो होता ही नहीं है. तो आप कभी बचाने की कोशिश नहीं करेंगे, तो सेंटेंस विल बी सेल्डम और नेवर. Have I tried my best to defend my friends who are after all guilty to some extent. You must focus on one another thing. Where have we used the article? We have used the article before the sentence. First we have used this compound conjunction, then you have used auxiliary verb. मैंने गलती से article बोल दिया है, auxiliary verb, then you have used the subject. So same with seldom or never. So here is a question: seldom or ever have I turned, I is missing, I turned a beggar away without giving him some alms. Alms means दान. कभी भेजा है या कभी नहीं भेजा, तो नहीं भेजते तो क्या हो जाएगा अगेन seldom और कभी ही भेजा है तो कभी कभी भेज भी सकते, तो क्या हो जाएगा seldom if ever. ठीक है. Now come to next. The officer was doubtful if some of the clerk in his office were involved in the bribery. Officer doubtful था कि कुछ क्लर्क जो है bribery में, घूस लेने में इन्वॉल्व थे या नहीं थे. तो यहाँ पे there are two situations, थे या नहीं थे. If is not used for that. For such situation we use whether. यहाँ पे first we must read whether. Whether is a conjunction that is used to introduce a conditional clause where there are two or more alternative possibility. तो यहाँ पे possibility क्या है? They have taken the bribe. Office clerks may have taken the bribe or may not have taken the bribe. तो यहाँ पे दो alternative possibility है. While जब हम if use करते हैं, so it is introduced for a conditional clause where there is single condition or hypothesis. जहाँ पर दो condition और hypothesis होगी, we use whether. What do we use with whether? Whether or. और जहाँ पर single hypothesis है, we use if. यहाँ पे देखिए क्या है, I don't know whether I should go to the party or stay at home. She asked whether you would like coffee or tea. लेकिन यहाँ पे if में देखिए, if में what we have used, if it rains tomorrow we will cancel the picnic. यहाँ पे और का तो कोई situation नहीं है, दो statement नहीं है, there is single hypothesis. When there is this sentence, the officer was doubtful if some of the clerk in his office were involved in the bribery. दो और नहीं लिखा हुआ है, but if it is the complete sentence तो क्या होता, the officer was doubtful कि कुछ क्लर्क ने ब्राइबरी में इन्वॉल्व थे या नहीं थे और नॉट. तो यहाँ पे इफ की जगह क्या होगा, इट वुड बी वेदर. नेक्स्ट इज द पेशेंट वुड नॉट हैव डाइड व्हेन द डॉक्टर हैड कम इन टाइम. जब डॉक्टर, तो यहाँ पे देयर इज अ कंडीशन, तो क्या हो जाएगा इफ द डॉक्टर हैड कम इन टाइम. आई कैन नॉट कन्फर्म यू इफ ही हैज पेड द बिल और रिटर्न द गुड्स. सो इफ के साथ वी नेवर यूज, और किसके साथ यूज करते हैं, देयर आर टू सिचुएशन, पेड द बिल और रिटर्न द गुड्स. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा whether he has paid the bill or returned the goods. Next is the newsman was doubtful that the man who had been run over by some vehicles had been lain there for more than one day or not. तो यहाँ पे that की जगह क्या होगा whether. I will go to the concert if he finishes his work on time. He'll go to the concert if he finishes his work on time. So this is right sentence. I don't know if any of the member of the party is conspiring against the president or not. Again we have two hypothesis. तो if की जगह पर क्या हो जाएगा, it will be whether. So you practice it again. If whether or if और whether में confuse नहीं होना है. With whether we use or, it's used for two hypotheses. If is used for only one. Next is because. Here the sentence is because he has been ill for a month, so he does not come to the office. Here you need to remember that when the sentence start with as, because, since, we never used extra conjunction. So this is what? This is extra conjunction. तो इसके कारण सेंटेंस क्या हो गया, गलत. सो इसकी जगह आप क्या यूज करेंगे, ओनली अ कॉमा. बिकॉज ही हैज बीन इल फॉर अ मंथ, इसकी जगह सो की जगह कॉमा, ही डज नॉट कम टू द ऑफिस. तो हियर द रिपीटेशन, व्हाट आर द थ्री दैट यू नीड टू रिमेंबर, सिंस, एज, सिंस, बिकॉज. इसके बाद यू डोंट रिपीट द कंजंक्शन. सेम, because he is intelligent therefore he gets good mark in all the examination he takes. First here, examination he takes, we need to remember we don't give the examination, we always take the examination. So here it is, because he is intelligent therefore का use गलत है, यहाँ पे क्या होगा, comma. He get good marks in all examination he takes. Again same question is there, as he is perfectionist so he always insist on regular practice. क्योंकि परफेक्शनिस्ट है तो क्या इंसिस्ट करता है, रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस पे. बिकॉज द सेंटेंस इज स्टार्टेड विथ एज, वी डोंट यूज सो. नाउ लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. यू मस्ट आइदर इन्फॉर्म द पुलिस एल्स बी प्रिपेयर टू सफर एनी लॉस. विथ आइदर वी यूज और, विथ नाइदर वी यूज नॉर. तो सबसे पहला यहाँ पे आइदर एल्स नहीं होगा, because either we always use or. So either and, either or, neither nor are correlative conjunction and these are used to present alternative or express negation. Alternative either or, express negation neither nor. जैसे यहाँ पे statement है, you can either go to cinema or stay at home tonight. This means you have an option to choose between going to cinema or staying at home, but you cannot डू बोथ साइमल्टेनियसली. दोनों एक साथ नहीं कर सकते हैं. अगर दोनों एक साथ करने का होता तो आप क्या यूज करते हैं, नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सो. अगर दोनों साइमल्टेनियसली करने का बात होता तो वी वुड हैव यूज्ड नॉट ओनली एंड बट ऑल्सो. जब हम यूज करते हैं नाइदर नॉर तो इसका मतलब क्या हो गया, नाइदर जॉन नॉर मैरी विल अटेंड द पार्टी. इट मीन्स बोथ आर नॉट गोइंग टू अटेंड द पार्टी. इट्स यूज फॉर नेगेशन. Next is question number 19. As soon as the peon rings the bell, then all the students assemble on the prayer ground. You need to remember if the sentence start with as soon as, यहाँ पे full stop गलती से आ गया है, as long as, so long as, we don't used then or then after it. So as soon as peon ring the bell, यहाँ पे then का use गलत है, इसकी जगह क्या होगा, only a comma. We don't use आफ्टर. सो आपको क्या याद रखना है, एज सुन एज, सिंस, एज, बिकॉज. इसके बाद दूसरे कंजंक्शन का यूज हम नहीं करते बिकॉज दीज आर नॉट कोरिलेटिव कंजंक्शन. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, ही नॉट ओनली कम्स हियर, दिस इज अ नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सो क्वेश्चन. ही नॉट ओनली कम्स हियर फॉर शॉपिंग बट ऑल्सो फॉर हैविंग अ ग्लिम्स ऑफ द एक्सट्रीमली ब्यूटिफुल सेल्स गर्ल. तो नॉट ओनली और बट ऑल्सो का सबसे पहला यूज क्यों होगा, नॉट ओनली एंड बट ऑल्सो इज यूज्ड टू फॉर पैरेलल एलिमेंट्स, emphasizing that both elements are significant. Typically the second is more important with the emphasis on the second element. जब हम कहते हैं she is not only intelligent but also hard working, तो इसका मतलब she possesses both intelligence and hard working qualities, emphasizing both aspects, especially the hard working thing. So first thing that you need to remember is with not only we always use but also. First thing is there. And next is where we place it is the question. See, यहाँ पे we have conjunction not only and but also. What are the phrases that it has connected? For having a glimpse and for shopping. So these are two parallel phrases, for shopping and for having a glimpse. तो आपने not only का यूज कहाँ कर दिया, comes here के पहले, so sentence is wrong. इसका यूज कहाँ होगा, for के पहले, क्योंकि what are two parallel phrases, for shopping and for having a glimpse. इस दोनों को ये कनेक्ट कर रहा है. तो आपका सही सेंटेंस क्या होगा, he comes here not only for shopping but also for having a glimpse of the extremely beautiful sales girl. Again, we have another sentence. Dr. Sinha was not only sympathetic to the rich patient but also to the poor ones. Now, what are the two parallel sentences? To the poor ones, to the rich. So, these are to the rich peasant to the poor ones. So but also is used before the to the poor ones. लेकिन not only का use आपने कहाँ कर दिया है? Before sympathetic. So this is wrong. We have to use not only before to the rich peasant. Why? क्योंकि ये दोनों phrases हम connect कर रहे हैं. तो right sentence is Dr. Sinha was sympathetic not only to the rich peasant but also to the poor ones. Next sentence is hardly scarcely. First we see hardly scarcely when का use हम कब करते हैं? Hardly and scarcely इसके साथ हमेशा हम when use करेंगे. With no sooner we use then. So this construction is used to express the one event that happens almost after another, emphasizing the short duration of the time between them. क्या दो इंसिडेंट जो एक के बाद एक हुए और उसके बीच में कोई टाइम गैप नहीं था. इट इज यूज्ड फॉर द पास्ट में जो हो गया है. द सेंटेंस यूजुअली स्टार्ट्स विथ द कंजंक्शन एंड वी यूज ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब आउट ऑफ द सेंटेंस. सो विथ हार्डली स्कार्सली व्हाट डू वी यूज? देन फर्स्ट वी सी द एग्जाम्पल हियर. एग्जाम्पल क्या है? हार्डली हैड ही फिनिश्ड हर ब्रेकफास्ट व्हेन द फोन रैंग. So here are two statements. She finished the breakfast and phone rang. It happened in the past and both the incident happened one after another. So with hardly, what have you used? When. Scarcely had he entered the room when he realized that he had forgotten the keys. So what do we use with scarcely? When. लेकिन अगर ये होगा no sooner, that हम थोड़ी देर में उसको देखेंगे, ये भी सेंटेंस no sooner, तो no sooner के साथ हम यूज करते हैं then, THAN then, not THEN then. So here what do we have? Hardly had he come out of the bus then the bomb exploded and shattered the bus into pieces. अभी बस से बाहर आया ही था जबकि बॉम्ब एक्सप्लोड हुआ. तो हार्डली के साथ हम क्या यूज करते हैं? हार्डली स्कार्सली के साथ when. Next question is no sooner. We already did no sooner. With no sooner we use then. Same दो पैरेलल सेंटेंस होंगे एक के बाद एक विदाउट द टाइम गैप. No sooner had he arrived at the station then the train departed. Notice it is not THEN then, it is THAN then. Now we have two statements that has been connected together. It's in past. No sooner की जगह हम hardly scarcely भी लिख सकते हैं, but when we write hardly scarcely with this we use when. Now let's come to the question. Do we have a question here? Yes, we must have. Yeah. So 23rd number question is with no sooner. No sooner did he find any solution to the problem when another problem appeared. So what do we use with no sooner? Then. THAN then. Next is had I hardly put the ornaments in the bag then the housewife woke up. First we start it with hardly. So what would be? Hardly had I put the ornament in the bag. And what do we use with hardly scarcely? When. When the housewife woke up. Next is scarcely had he gone a few steps that he was told by someone that his mother was no more. अभी वो कुछ steps गया ही था जब किसी ने बोला कि उसकी mother is no more, अब नहीं रही. So again with scarcely that has been used. What do we use with hardly scarcely? When. Next statement is hardly had the speaker finished speaking then the lights went out and there was an uproar in the hall. अभी स्पीकर ने बोलना ख़त्म ही किया था जब लाइट चली गई और हल्ला शुरू हो गया जैसा स्टूडेंट करते हैं लाइट चले जाने पे. So here with hardly what has been used? Then. What do we use with hardly scarcely? When. Next is hardly had he gone to the policeman. Hardly had he gone then the policeman knocked at the door to enquire about his whereabouts. अभी वो गया ही था कि पुलिसमैन आ गए दरवाजे पे इंक्वायर करने के लिए कि वो कहाँ है. whereabouts means कहाँ होना. So see again with scarcely what have we used? Then. So hardly scarcely what do we use? When. Now again no sooner had the train. So first no sooner had the train arrived than the crowd rushed towards the compartment to greet the leader who was travelling by that ट्रेन. अभी ट्रेन आई थी कि क्राउड रश कर गई उस कंपार्टमेंट की तरफ उस लीडर को ग्रीट करने के लिए जो उस ट्रेन से जा रहे थे. नाउ विथ no sooner we use then, but do we use the and then? No. What do we use? A and then. Now next is, hardly had the wheels touched the ground. Hardly had the wheels touched the ground. Then the pilot indicated with his finger how many injured people he was carrying. अभी व्हील ग्राउंड पे टच ही की थी कि पायलट ने इंडिकेट किया कि वो अपने फिंगर से कि कितने इंजर्ड पेशेंट है. व्हाट डू वी यूज विथ हार्डली? हार्डली एंड स्कार्सली व्हेन. अगेन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, नो सूनर वॉज द एजिटेशन इज दार्जिलिंग साइलेंस्ड व्हेन बोडोलैंड एक्टिविटी इन आसाम इरप्टेड. सो नो सूनर के साथ हम क्या यूज करते हैं? देन. कौन सा देन? ए एंड देन. Okay, so now let's come to the next different question. This is perhaps the same dog which bit her while she was returning from the market. See, यहाँ पे हम the same use कर रहे हैं. Whenever we use the same, we use that with it. तो यहाँ पे while की जगह क्या हो जाएगा? That. The phrase the same ... that is used to emphasize a parallel or equivalent relationship between two things or situation. तो यहाँ पे हो गया आपका that. Here's a important one that you all make mistake. Like, he asked me that why he was not preparing for civil service examination. That का use आप कभी भी use नहीं करते हैं before the relative interrogatives. So it is indirect statement. He asked me. जब आप narration पढ़ते you study indirect sentence. So indirect sentence में when the question is asked, so before that question word we never use that. That question word is used to connect the sentence. So words like who, whom, whose, which, that, इन सब के पहले हम that का use नहीं करते हैं. See, here are some examples. जैसे who है, the person who called last night left a message. The person that who called is wrong. Do you know that who wrote this article would be wrong. Do you know who wrote this article? क्योंकि we have two sentences. Do you know who wrote this article and connected with who. Same as the doctor whom I spoke to recommended rest. The doctor and I spoke recommended rest has been connected with whom. Same are there are other example. I am scrolling slowly, you can read it. Now let's come to question number 33. Here the statement is, both Hari as well as his wife are determined to bring about some changes in the plan. Whenever the sentence start with both, we never use as well as, along with, after it. After both we only use and. So as well as is not typically used after both. So what do we use after both? We only use and. Both Ram and Syam. Both Ram as well as Syam is wrong sentence. Next is, हाँ बट अगर दो बोथ के बाद अगर दो सेंटेंसेस आपने ऑलरेडी यूज कर दिए तो उस केस में इट कैन बी यूज बोथ मैरी एंड जॉन एज वेल एज सारा अटेंडेड इन द मीटिंग. सो बोथ इज कनेक्टिंग Mary and John. Both is not connecting Sarah and Mary and John. तो यहाँ पे both ने किसको कनेक्ट किया? मैरी एंड जॉन ने. जबकि एज वेल एज ने किसको कनेक्ट किया है? इस पूरे को इससे. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, बोथ द रिच along with the poor are responsible for great many vices, avgun, problems with which our society as well as country is inflicted. Now both के बाद what do we use? We don't use along with, we use and. Next is although. With although we always use yet. First is although with though or although. Though, though. With though and although we always use yet. But is not used as a correlative conjunction with though and although. It's only paired with yet. Although it was raining, yet we decided to go for a walk. तो यहाँ पे सेंटेंस क्या है? Although these rooms need repair, but the owner does not take any notice of the condition. तो यहाँ पे गलत क्या है? But. Because with although we use yet. Although we only use yet. Next is he did not succeed in the examination. हाँ, ये तो पूरा स्टेटमेंट ही गलत हो गया. He did not succeed in the examination, yet he worked hard. So what is the first statement? आपका cause effect क्या है? Cause ये है कि उसने एग्जाम में वर्क हार्ड किया फिर भी फेल हो गया. तो सेंटेंस विल स्टार्ट विथ although he worked hard in the examination, फिर भी क्या हो गया? फिर भी वो सक्सीड नहीं कर पाया. तो वो यहाँ आएगा. तो सेंटेंस वुड बी although he worked hard yet he did not succeed in the examination. Mr. Sale told me that though her son had worked hard but he failed to mark any mark in the examination. What are the conjunction here? Though and but. What do we use with though? Yet. Now let's come to question number next 38. The teacher asked the students to go to the market and buy some fruits as apples, oranges, guava, etc. Remember, अगर हम as यूज करते हैं तो as के बाद हम क्या यूज करेंगे? Nominative. What is nominative? Subjective. What come in subject as subject? I, we, you, he, she. This is nominative. तो हम सिर्फ nominative यूज करते हैं. और जब हम like यूज करेंगे तो उसके साथ हम object और objective दोनों यूज करेंगे. ऑब्जेक्टिव केस भी यूज करेंगे और ऑब्जेक्टिव भी यूज करेंगे. तो यहाँ पे तो टीचर आस्क्ड द स्टूडेंट टू गो टू द मार्केट एंड बाय फ्रूट्स. तो क्या आ जाएगा? लाइक. बाय फ्रूट्स लाइक एप्पल, ऑरेंजेस, गुआवा. या एस इसकी जगह हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? जैसा कि. और क्या लिख सकते हैं? सच एस. सो ये होगा. नेक्स्ट इज ही सजेस्टेड टू मी दैट आई शुड डू ऑल द वर्क as quickly like him. तो as के साथ क्या आता है? as. फर्स्ट अब दो चीज़ों को कंपेयर कर रहे हैं तो क्या आ जाएगा? as. ठीक है. और as के बाद भी him नहीं होगा बिकॉज हम इसके बाद क्या लेंगे? nominative. तो what should be the complete sentence? He suggested to me that I should do all the work as quickly as he does. as he does. तो उसकी जगह आपने सिर्फ लिखा as he. Read it again, then you will understand. Since Diwali is fast approaching, my teenage son has bought many firework. तो यहाँ पे as की जगह क्या हो जाएगा? या तो like होगा या तो such as. या तो होगा such as या तो क्या हो जाएगा? like. Next is his offense was such as that he was bound to suffer and ultimately meet his doom. So again after such as के बाद हाँ, so this sentence is right. इसकी जगह आप such that भी लिख सकते थे. Now 42 number is he has lots of money and he dare not start a factory. But यहाँ पे दो contrasting situation है. So when there are two contrasting situation, we use yet or but. He has a lot of money yet he does not start a factory. Next is she is too beautiful to be rejected by any young man who wishes to make her his wife. Here the conjunction is to, to. It is used to express the comparison or degree of something, जो कि दिखाए कि एक जो है one thing is beyond the certain limit, वो इस लिमिट से बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया. जब आप बोलते हैं the suitcase is too heavy to lift, इसका मतलब the weight of the suitcase exceed the limit of for lifting. तो यहाँ पर सेम सेंटेंस है, दो दिस सेंटेंस इज राइट. ये सेंटेंस सही है. नेक्स्ट 44 नंबर क्वेश्चन इज You can read these further sentences. Next, 44 number is 10 years have passed that I returned from London and settled in this part of the country. Second is, it was almost 10 years ago since he wrote a letter to remind me of my lapses. In these both sentences, that and since has been used to connect time. First we see कि that और since का use time के connection के sense में कैसे होता है. Since is used, both are the conjunction, both can be used to indicate time. थोड़ा difference है. Since जो है is primarily used to denote a point of time at which the action started from the in the past and it still continue. वो past का कोई दिखाता है कि यहाँ से action जो है वो start हुआ. जैसे he has been studying English since he was 5 years old, मतलब 5 साल पहले start किया और अभी तक वो पढ़ रही है. जबकि that जो है that is used as a conjunction to introduce subordinate clause जो time frame या reason दिखाए. Time frame और reason. I told him that I would meet him at 3 o'clock. तो यहाँ पे that क्या है? Time frame है या reason भी हो सकता है. तो यहाँ पे when there is sentence 10 years have passed that I returned from London. तो उस समय से आप लंदन से आ गए तो क्या होगा? Since I returned from London and settled in this part of the country. Next, it was almost 10 years ago that he wrote a letter to me. That he wrote a letter to me to remind of my lapses. Next is the program. First यहाँ पे आप notice कीजिए the spelling of program is PROGRAMME because here it is noun. अगर program verb होता तो इसका spelling होता PROGRAME. The program was almost fixed and it was my friend's insincerity that upset the whole thing and disappointed us. यहाँ पे there are two contrasting situation, तो यहाँ पे and की जगह पर क्या हो जाएगा? But. But is a coordinating conjunction जो कि introduce करता है contrast और exception. She wanted to go to the party but she had too much work to do. You can read these sentences for more understanding. It is also used for emphasis. But is also used for emphasis. I can't help but feel excited about the trip, kind of thing. Now next is, I cannot allow you to go out of the class unless the teacher comes and give me some instruction. So here there are two words, unless and until. First thing that you need to remember is that after until or unless we do not use not. Not cannot be used after until or unless. So you can use not with the other sentence that is used before or after, before until. Until के बाद वाले sentence के साथ not use नहीं करेंगे. I won't leave until you arrive. Until you don't arrive will be a wrong sentence. I won't go to the party unless you come with me, not unless you don't come with me. Second, until is used for time and unless is used for action. Until is used for specific point of time. Here the sentence is, I cannot allow you to go out of the class unless the teacher comes. जब तक कि teacher नहीं आ जाता है. तो what is it? Until the teacher come and give me some instruction. You can read it further. There are more examples. So these are the few questions and these are all the questions that has come in different competitive examinations too. So these are the complex use of conjunction. You once go through it. In the next video I'll make a video in which I'll show you how the same conjunction can be used as other part of speech, when it is conjunction and when it is used as other part of a speech like pronoun, adjective, adverb or so that we will do in the another video. These are the complex structure that you should go. Okay, have a nice time, enjoy your lives.